everyone, today in this video I will discuss the process of creating a custom Kanban view in Salesforce using the LWC or Lightning Web Component. The client we assisted wanted us to create the custom view that combines two objects together to have a single view of two objects. Also, they want to showcase the records present in the Salesforce two objects, and if we have two objects like accounts and contacts, they wanted to combine the account and contact object in a single view and access the records combined in both objects. The other requirement of the client was to customize the record card of the Kanban view, since we only show 4 to 5 fields in a Kanban card while dragging or dropping from one stage to another. The client also wanted us to customize the board entirely to add more filters, more fields and other options in the Kanban view board. Before moving on the project demo, let me give you a quick introduction to the Kanban view in Salesforce. Kanban view is a type of list view other than table view or split view in Salesforce, so that we can just showcase the records in a different and drag and drop UI and object. It shows a record in a graphical way. That would help you monitor your work and keep deals moving forward. And you can just check it out. That particular record or deal simply moves from one stage to another in a path you have chosen in the Kanban view. We can also select the basis of each Kanban view, like on which path or field you want to propagate from one stage to another in an object. So let's say you have a stage field and an opportunity from negotiation to a close one. Then you will have the drag and drop feature within the Kanban view, so that you can just update the stage by just dragging and dropping of your record from one column to another. So this is how Kanban view works in Salesforce. Kanban view offers a tons of benefits. Since standard cabin view has a lot of limitations, we cannot add custom buttons or more than 4 to 5 fields in a Kanban view card. We can overcome various limitations using the custom Kanban view. We can also add more features with the Kanban view board, like adding more filters and drag and drop feature, adding more charts or filter options. You can also add various list view buttons that we cannot add on a Kanban view card. Let's take an example. Suppose we have 3 standard buttons in a Kanban view card: add, delete or change owner. If you want to add a clone button, we cannot add it in a standard Kanban view. To add that, we can have a custom Kanban view that we can create using LWC. With the Lightning Web Component and other classes, we can modify and customize our Kanban view and design it in whatever way we want. Now let me walk you through how to set up Lightning Web Component for custom Kanban view. First of all, we need to create an LWC component that combines two objects as per the requirement. We need to combine two objects to create a LWC component that combines those two objects. After that, we need to create a Visual Force page that we could embed on the component. Then, use that Visual Force page showing the UI on the front end of the custom Kanban view. After getting the Visual Force, we need to set up some classes for the filter and search bar utility or enhance the drag and drop feature in the list views. So to enhance the search bar feature, customize more and enhance all the standard features, we need to create some classes on those. Also, we can have more filters, better search options and functionality, and better drag and drop features from one stage to another within the Kanban view. So after that, we need to configure some classes for the custom field that we wanted to show on custom Kanban view card on a particular record card on a Kanban view. Furthermore, we have to add some more classes and configure those for the same to have more fields and custom fields or standard fields in the Kanban card. After completing the steps, we need to properly test all the classes and functionalities to ensure that all functionalities are working smoothly and effectively. Now let me show you the project demo to help you understand how Kanban view works in a Salesforce org. This is my Salesforce org and I have created a custom Kanban view. In this Kanban view, I've created these filters. Here are custom filters and a custom search bar utility. You can easily search any record by entering any field value over here, and you will have the record over here. We have added custom buttons to navigate through the path or the stages. If you directly want to go to the previous stage, you can have this, and if you're going to the next page, you can just click on this. So in this way, these custom buttons are working. We just have to add the functionality to add more fields in the record of the Kanban view. In the standard, we can only add 4 to 5 fields, but we can have as many fields as we want. We've also added a clone button that is not standard Kanban viewport and add more buttons over here. Also, we have added functionality to show up a screen or added a record by just dropping it from one stage to another. As you can see here, we have added an option or updated a record with the field that we want. So let's update the field. Let's fill in the details. Let's take Tess as a lead, first name, then CA, and then just add phone number 1234. We can add a document directly from here. So there's the new document, click yes, and we have a standard functionality to add those documents directly from here. And just update the record. A record has been updated, and you can see this record and all the details in the detail page have been updated with the values that we have just input on the pop-up. So this way it is working, and we have the new stage over here as well. We can just use filter options from here to select those records. Let's take stage like Alabama, or you can just clear the filter over here as well. So this way we have also shown any currency field value or total value over here on top of the board. Now the total number of records in each stage. So this is a custom list that we have created using LWC. Let me now refresh it. That's all custom Kanban view that we have creating using LWC, and we've added more and more functionality using the same. We have shown these custom logos or icon with different colors based on the stage value or any pick list value, and we have a detail option available here. The filter option, we can just switch between various lists. We can also add more buttons. That's all about this project. If you need any guidance with Salesforce and Google integration or any form of Salesforce integration, contact Cloud Analogy, one of the world's leading Salesforce development companies and Salesforce implementation partners now. Thank you.